Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Spark Plug. So in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to make this beautiful wing nut in Fusion 360. Basically this is one simple thing and it will take just few minutes. We will start by making a circle on the bottom plane and press C for circle and make a circle of dia 20 mm like this, and you may finish the sketch. Now click on offset plane and offset the bottom plane up to a distance of 12 mm upwards. So make it offset of 12 mm, and on that offsetted plane that we have just created, draw another circle concentric with the previous one, of course, and this time the dia is going to be 16. Now once done, we have two circles of dia 16 and dia 20. Now go to create, go to loft, create a loft between these two circles and you may press OK. Now press C for circle, click on the top plane and draw a dia, a hole of circle of 10 mm and make a hole through it like this. Go to create, go to thread, click on this phase and it will automatically the size of M10. You can change the pitch from here and click on molded and press OK. So we have a M10 thread in the bottom. Now again click on create sketch, onto very front plane, draw a line, press L for line, draw one construction center line like this. Switch off the construction mode, press C for circle, draw a circle of radius dia 16 here and press D for dimension. From this point to the center of the circle, make this dimension as 18 mm, and from the bottom to this, make this dimension of 17 mm like this. Now once done, press L for line and draw line from this point tangent to this line and from this very point tangent to the circle. Now once done, just close this sketch by making a profile which is inside this body. Now again go to mirror, select all these profiles. The mirror line would be the construction line and OK. Now finish the sketch. Now go to extrude, select the direction type as symmetric and select the measurement as whole length. Select the profile as this and this, and the distance is going to be 4 mm. The operation would be join and press OK. Now click on fillet, select on these four edges and give them a radius of R3. Once done, now make the fillet for other edges also of 1 mm. Like this and press OK. Now select the remaining also. Okay, there might be some problem, and for appearance click for A and it will give the appearance that you want. So here's the tutorial for how to make a butterfly or a wing nut in Fusion 360. Hope you guys will enjoy. Do share any comment, any queries. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you and have a nice